Today we're going to tune a kalimba. You need 2 of these when hammering. Not now. For now we don't need these. It will come with the kalimba. Also this. You have to hammer it down. When hammering it down, you have to wear this. First let's check C4. Now D4. D4 side. Now E4. Now F4. Now G4. Now A4. B4. Now you have to go to C5. That's the dot above the 1. C5 is correct. Now to be D5. D5. D5 is right. Now to E5. Now F5. Now G5. A5. Now B5. There's 2 dots, so it's C6. This is D6. This is E6.
Without black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Whiskey whip, the gun down. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to drive. It's like the
Go
fly,
down
I'm the
to
last
the
one to die.
description and find the link below for doing the song Twinkle Twinkle Little. To learn with Pikku, like and subscribe and share.